everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we're doing an empties. We're going to do the lifestyle and home empties. I know that's not everyone's cup of tea, mainly the beauty empties, but I do mine quarterly, and I personally love seeing the home and lifestyle stuff because I hear of a lot of products that I otherwise wouldn't know of, and then I get a real feel for how it works. So I really enjoy them. I hope you really enjoy mine. And I'm out of breath because I just lugged upstairs 3 boxes full of products. So we're going to get through this, and I'm going to try to go a little bit faster than I normally do, but I want to give a good review to each one of the products as well. So let's just get started. Okay, first things first, we're going to ignore the laundry basket in the back of me because that is for an upcoming haul video. Purchased before I started my no-buy. It's just been sitting there for so long, and I need to do the video and try on. So just ignore it. It will be gone soon. All right, let's start. So I did a video a little while ago of testing out all different coffee creamers because if you know me, you know I'm an addict and I like to test out different coffee creamers. So because I did a full video or full review on the ones, if I pull something out of here, which there's quite a few, no, I did not drink them all in a matter of a couple weeks. This was through winter. I'm just going to kind of give you a no, yes, and then I'll link that video above if you want to check that out. But if it's something I really, really have to say about it, then I will let you know. So let's just start off with the So Delicious Dairy-Free Oat Milk Creamer. And this was in the vanilla scent, the vanilla flavor. And this is a maybe. I'm a gain girl. We got to have the gain. So I think I have 1 and 2 of the gain. This is the lavender and this is the regular. I just grab whatever I can get with a coupon and at BJ's or at Walmart whenever I'm in there. So that is always a repurchase for me. I see a whole lot of creamers in this specific box. I'm just going to pull it close to me. Okay. This is the Silk Oat Oat Milk Creamer, the oatmeal cookie one. If you watch that video, you know this is a heck yes. And I already repurchased it, and there might be more than one of these in here. I'm not quite sure, but I love this. This is definite. If you can find it, I get mine at Target. This is the Silk Dairy-Free Almond Creamer in the Pumpkin Spice. This is another yes, seasonal. If you can find it next year, definitely pick it up. The Fruity Pebbles International Delight is a must. I actually have another one right now that I'm using. I love this. It tastes just like a handful of dry Fruity Pebbles that you just pop in your mouth, and it's delicious. And if you like Fruity Pebbles, you will love that. This is a no. This is the Muala Organic Plant-Based Creamer in the banana nut flavor. And it reminds me of the Chunky Monkey Ben & Jerry's ice cream, but it also reminds me of the banana baby food in the little pouches or in the little container. So not a purchase or repurchase for me. We have some of our tried and true Smarty Pants vitamins. This is the Kids Probiotic. I swear by these. However, we have not been purchasing them because I did a video on that. I'll link that above. And this is the Smarty Pants Kids Complete Vitamins. Again, I love this product. Highly recommend it for little ones or for yourself. This is the Nut Pods Original Almond and Coconut Creamer. This is a no for me. We have a Mrs. Meyer's Iowa Pine Scent Dish Soap. I love Mrs. Meyer's, but I've been recently hearing some buzz about it's not cleaning as well as it should. So I'm thinking about trying some other brands out. So if you have any recommendations of something that works really well, that has good scents like Mrs. Meyer's, please let me know down below. I put this in here because I wanted to just mention it. This is the CVS Extra Strength Acetaminophen Liquid in the cherry flavor, but it's clear. So as an adult, if you're going to get your tonsils and adenoids taken out, you're going to need a lot of bottles of these. You can't have the red one, which is the one that's pretty common, because you can't have anything that would make it look like can be confused with bleeding. So you have to get this clear one, and because your throat is so sore, then you can really only handle this. So I know this because Frank went through this, and luckily we had lots of these on hand. I had to kind of go to multiple stores to get a lot of them, but he went through them, so you definitely would need them. This is the Method All-Purpose Honey Crisp Apple scent in the, what is this, the surface cleaner. I liked it, but I didn't really get a big apple scent from it, so I was a little disappointed, but it does work, so it works good. These are the Flens Wipe and Clear Lens Wipes in the 75 individual packs. I'm not a fan of these individual packs of things, but I get these from Costco, and these are for Dominic for his glasses, but soon to be my glasses because I just got my first 2 pairs of glasses because I apparently need them. So I already knew that, but they're coming. All right, this is the Amine H2O 311 BCAA and Hydration. This was from GNC. This, I feel so bad. It went bad. It smelled so good. It tasted really good. It was the cherry limeade scent, but it got really hard and it just kind of got to one solid piece. And I was kind of scraping at it because you know me, I will try. And then it just made me feel sick. So I wasn't about to make myself sick for all those uses. All right, we're in the second box now. This is my favorite, and I'm having such a hard time finding it now. It's the Vega Plant-Based Protein and Energy with the MCT oil. This is the coffee flavored one, cold brew coffee. It's so good. I was buying it at Costco, and then they stopped having it in stock. Then I was buying it off the website, and I can't seem to get my hands on it. So they have another one now. It's a chocolate with energy that I have 2 of them. They're pretty good, but that is my definite favorite. Then we have another Silk Dairy-Free Almond Creamer. This was in the dark chocolate peppermint. Again, another seasonal item. Definitely pick this one up if you like those kind of flavors. We have another one of the Nut Pods Almond and Coconut Creamer in the French Vanilla flavor. This is a no for me. A box of Q-tips because we all know we need those. Oh, this was a fun one. This is the Buddy the E.L.F. Frosted Sugar Cookie. And this was just the International Delight. It was good. It just tasted really sweet to me. I didn't really get like the cookie flavor of it, but it was pretty good. And it's so cute. I love E.L.F. Who doesn't love E.L.F? He's so funny. Okay, then we have a GNC. Oh, I thought that was a spider. GNC Potassium and Magnesium. And I was taking this for quite a while, just at nighttime to help me sleep, but I don't know if it really did that much of anything. I am currently using something that is working like a godsend right now, so stay tuned for that in the next empties. This is the Mrs. Meyer's Acorn Spice Scent, the multi-surface cleaner. I know a lot of people are not the biggest fan of this scent, but I love it. I know it's like one of my top faves. So if they have that again, and I'm still getting Mrs. Meyer's, I'd probably pick that one up again. These are the Tums Antacid, oh my god, Chewy Bites and the Cooling Sensation Fruit Fusion. These are good. I don't know how well they work, but they taste really yummy, and they remind me of those Mentos, the fruity ones, so it's pretty good. Then we have a Mucinex Sinus Max Severe Congestion and Pain. So this was something that we had for all of us because we were sick, as we all know. Listerine Cool Mint, just a little sample guy. Then we have my favorite wine. This is the Hazlitt White Cat Finger Lakes White Wine. I get mine from, obviously, the liquor store, but this is in the, I always mention it, the Northeastern section, I guess, and it's super, super sweet. So if you don't like really sweet wines, you will not like this one. Then I have this product I really want to talk about because this really made me angry, and not a lot of things do that. Okay, this is called the Kumis, and it's this piece that you're supposed to put this in your CD player in your car, and then it will hold your phone. This part of it works really well because it has a really nice grip on it. However, this is not supposed to break your CD player. Frank said I'm kind of dumb thinking that it wasn't going to because you're jamming this into your CD player, and I didn't have a lot of problems with it for a while, and it was working really well for me, and I really enjoyed it. You could kind of flip it and, you know, move it to how you want, but it did break my CD player, and that is why I had to get a new one, and I got that for Christmas because it ruined it, and I couldn't get any, felty part that's in the middle of it, it just kind of pushed it in and it broke off. So if you see these, they seem like a really good idea, especially this brand, this Kumis, but do not get it because it will break your CD player, if you have a CD player. Okay, we're down to the last box. Going randomly, obviously. I do have some food items that I wanted to mention, whether they were really good or really disappointing. So I have these Canyon Bakehouse gluten-free burger buns. And when we were on the elimination diet, we were trying to find kind of things to use in replacement of what we normally would, and they're 100% whole grain, and I think there was 4 in there. These are so expensive. I think they were like $7, maybe $8 for these, and they were awful. They tasted like cardboard to me. They were so dense, but not in a good way. Would not recommend. Something I would recommend, but not if you can't get it on sale, probably not. This is the collagen protein oats from Purely Elizabeth. Again, this is another pretty pricey product, but it does have a nice flavor. This was the vanilla pecan one, and it does have a nice flavor. I was thinking it was going to be a little bit more hearty, considering it is like an oats and a collagen that's mixed in there, but it wasn't, and you don't get a ton of product in here. So you get 6 servings per container, and the serving size is 1/3 cup. So you don't really get a lot in here. There's other things you can do, but that, I mean, if you can get it on sale, it is nice to try. This is the Califia Farms dairy-free almond milk creamer, and in the dark chocolate truffle. This is a definite yes for me. This was Frank's, but I tried it before. I'm not a huge fan of it. This is like, it's really cheap, I think, too. It's a wave blue raspberry flavored vodka, and it's like a bright blue, and he likes to mix this in with lemonade, and he really enjoys it, so he'll probably get one of those at some point. This is the Finish Max in 1 dishwasher detergent tabs, and I really do like these. I think I like these more than the other ones that I get from Berkley & Jensen, the BJ's brand, or the is it not Finish? I forget what the other one is. You know what I'm talking about, with the little thingies, the little packs in together. I think I like those more. Okay, this was sent to me through, I want to say, Social Nature. These are the Dr. Prager's Odie's oatmeal dipping sticks in the chocolate chip. I was really excited. There is a bug in there. It's a 1,000-legger. Close the box. Okay. I found them at Giant, and I had to look around for these for a while, but I finally found them. I was really excited to try them. They're different. They're definitely dense. They don't have a overly yummy flavor to them with the chocolate chip, but they are different. So I don't know. They're nut-free, soy-free, and a good source of fiber. So that's that. Would not repurchase. We have a Spring Valley Adult Gummy Vitamin C. So we were using them, but like I said, we haven't been purchasing that stuff now. We have a Mr. Clean Febreze for floor cleaner. Really love that scent. This is the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Snowdrop scent for the dish soap. This is a dupe for Snow Angel from Philosophy. If you love that scent and you like to wash your dishes, you'll probably really enjoy that. This is the Method Peppermint Vanilla Foaming Hand Soap. This was really yummy and has a really good scent, and I really did like the foaming of it. Then we have another Hazlitt wine. I didn't know I drank 2. That's different. This is another one of the White Cat, again, my favorite. And we have a couple more products and we're done. This is the Glide Scope Outlast, the little floss picks. I'm not a huge fan of these, but the boys really like them, so I'd rather them use that than nothing. And we have this. I thought this was so cute. This is a Maine Wild Blueberry Jam. So my boss got this for me when she went to Maine, and I love it. I love Maine blueberries. Anything. I love Maine. Maine is like our home away from home. And it was just Maine wild blueberries, sugar, and pectin, and it was so delicious, and I'm going to miss it so much until we go back, which should be hopefully sooner than later. And the last thing are these mini diffusers, and it was this one. It was like a fruity one. I got these from the Dollar Tree, the little things you put in the vents, and it wasn't the spice vanilla. That's what's in my car now, but these are okay. I probably wouldn't purchase them anymore because they don't give off a really nice scent for a long time. So I don't know. It was nice to try though. So that is going to be it. I'm sorry there was so much stuff, but I've been hoarding it and I'm so excited to finally throw this all in the recycling bin and get it out of my house along with the 1000 legger that's in that box. So that is going to be all for today. I'm catching up on videos, so if you see a couple extra uploads, then don't be surprised and just choose the ones you want to watch. So I will see you very soon, guys. Thanks so much for watching as always. Have a good day. Bye.